eyebrow gel from Urban Decay. So I'm just going to lift my eyebrows up. I like this one because it already have colors in it. It kind of fill in my eyebrows at the same time while it lift and hold. This is from Huda Beauty to highline the eyebrows and make them pop a little. And then I'm going to blend it in a little bit. This one right here. I don't have crease because, well, I have hooded eye. So I like to, you know, bring my eyes up like that. Okay, this way. Okay, bring my eyes up like that and then start packing it because back it on. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna take and then I'm gonna do the other side the same way. Did I mess it up? Anyway, I love this shade, like it's beautiful. Oh, soften it up. Oh yeah, did I show what I take? This one right here. Soften the edges. You know, it started looking like something is cooking. And so now I'm gonna go with the darker shade using the same pencil. Oh no, this is too. Now we're going to pack the darker shade down. Then we're gonna go with the black, and then right here, black. Okay, black. You see that? It starts to look good. Is that too much? Maybe it's too much, but who cares? It's late at night, we're doing makeup. Oh. Ooh la la, que c'est beau. Ooh la la, que c'est beau. I'm using mcgrat palette and I'm taking the shade right here and I'm just adding it to my inner corner. Oh. Que c'est beau. Okay. What? I forgot to do skin prep. Yeah, let's spray the face. And we're gonna add a little bit of this. We're just going to add basically skin prep is just moisture because your skin is in its best state when it's moisturized. For primer, I'm using Miss Danessa Marie. My first time using the House Lab foundation, and let's see what it gives. It's the shade match. Okay, foundation is on. Curve cakes. I couldn't be more excited about this because like middle two as bronzer because it's so beautiful. There's something about this, it melts so easily into your skin and it's beautiful. I'm really bronze right now and I love being bronze. Okay, so I want something very subtle for blush. Very, very, very subtle, like this pink right here is not too pinky. Okay, it's beautiful. I'm also gonna add it under my eyes. Concealer. A little bit under my eyes, right here, under my eyes, and then right there. down to my nose, and then right there, and start blending these things out. They give me a nice lifted look. I'm just gonna tap with my finger with this thing. Again, I forgot to contour my nose. I keep forgetting to contour my nose, ladies and gentlemen. Concealer, and I'm not done mixing them together. I'm just gonna add it right here. Right here. That's exactly where I want it. I don't want my face to be too bright. Maybe right here. A little bit right here. Alright, we're gonna take another brush and then we're gonna keep blending this thing. This is a masterpiece. The key to a flawless makeup is blending this thing out. Contour the nose. We're gonna take the foundation brush and then we're gonna tap around the edges to make it blend seamlessly. Right, we're gonna take it around here because we don't want demarcation. We want everything to be one cohesion, like right here and my nose. Right, little tap under the bronzer to make sure there's no harsh line. Setting powder. I like to take a brush first. This is a big brush. You can barely tell that brown. With the lip balm, Hot Mama, because I'm a hot mama. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.